Okay, what's up guys, Korean Con here, playing more Batman Arkham Knight, and last time we made it to Ace Chemicals. We found Scarecrow's location, now we're here. So, we'll go up here. You don't want to zoom, I guess. Helicopters! Parkour! Ah! Looks like the button's shaking.
Oracle. Whoever this guy is, he's assembled an army. I need a name.
Just
All
the,
right.
like, white button.
We've got something here from a black ops team operating in Venezuela. They discovered a hidden training facility housing soldiers bearing the same insignia.
It's funny.
There's nothing but speculation on their commander, though. The only thing sources agree on is his name.
The Arkham Knight. Oh
The
boy.
Arkham Knight. Hack into their comms. I need to know what they're planning.
Anything else?
Hacking's
There's a
illegal.
crew
No,
of
I'm
Ace
joking.
Chemicals
It might.
workers left
I'm
on
not
site.
sure.
They'll be able to help us track
Actually,
down
I think it
Scarecrow
is.
and locate his bomb. I need to find them.
Each worker will be carrying a unique ID chip.
If I can access their personnel records, I'll be able to track them.
There's a security terminal in a booth near your location.
What?
Try there.
Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I have to get to that computer.
There are 5 soldiers, each one armed and dangerous. Before I can access that terminal, I'll need to take them down.
One by one. So, there's the Arkham Knight. Real name, unknown. I know what it will say after unknown. I know what it will say, guys. Oh, I have, okay, I have access to it for the fear takedown.
So it started. Sure looks like it. This is the part I love. Taking people by surprise. Choppers coming over the horizon, blowing the crap.
Oh man, it's, I'm just not used to the new buttons.
I ate something bad the other night. Still damn rations. Still don't feel too hard. That sucks. Yeah, biggest operation ever, and I'm stuck in the rain outside of
Okay.
a chemical plant, trying not to throw up. Operation set Batman.
Can I go first person?
We can absolutely be the ones who kill him.
Am I done with
Cooked up this plan is a genius. I still can't believe they took the bait and evacuated the city.
I'm almost done.
Remember,
Remember that nothing will happen to you. You totally won't get your fears in your way, and you totally won't put a gun to your head and kill yourself. Duh, that would never happen. I'm joking, I'm joking. Don't do that. Double fear takedown! And done.
It's
Fantastic.
safe to access the terminal.
Fantastic. Ooh, level up. Woohoo! 1. Okay, we only have 1. Let's do combat 1. Critical strikes. Let's battle. What was this? No! Oh, man, I love that move. Oh.
Let's see if Oracle was right. Data connection active. Data decrypting. Someone needs to upgrade their security protocols.
Yeah. Okay, 4 and 5.
Oracle, I've got the ID codes. If I reach a high vantage point, I can use the bat scanner to locate the workers.
Okay, I've marked the tallest structure in the area on your map. Try not to fall.
Try not to. I'm Batman. You know me? Do you know me, Barbara Gordon? I'm Bruce Wayne. No, I'm Batman. I'm the Batman. I'm not Bruce Wayne. I'm not a billionaire. Actually, well, I am under the mask, but I'm the Batman.
This is perfect. I can release the bat scanner and search for the workers.
Yeah, you do that.
I've managed to intercept
Cam
some radio
Connor, it's
traffic
awesome.
between Scarecrow and this Arkham Knight. Relaying it to you now.
Oh.
I had him in my sights. I could have ended it right there. We have not broken him yet. It will come. Now I've waited long enough. Batman dies. Tonight. Why do you hate him so much? You can never understand. Your revenge is at hand.
Okay, go.
This is his last night. I'll make sure of it.
Any idea who the Arkham Knight is?
No wonder your name is Arkham Knight,
Sounds
huh?
like the two of you might have some history.
I've made a lot of enemies.
Okay, so we're gonna go over here because okay.
Are you seeing the spike on the internal router? Don't worry, it's nothing. Just a glitch. Okay, so it's finally started. Phase 1 is a go. Yeah, thank God.
Is that,
I feel sorry for this
what the?
around.
Is that the guy?
Yeah, guess we're the lucky
He passed. Did he pass?
Stop talking.
Is he passed out?
Tell someone to vent.
Pass out?
Group 5, I'm seeing a spike in your location. Open the vents and flush the cooling system.
Multi-view takedown! Oh wow! I just took out everyone with a fear takedown, then a light to the head, and then I missed. Is he dead? No way.
Oracle,
Please don't.
they've killed one of the workers.
No!
We've got to stop them. Listen, I've managed to hack into the militia comms network. You'll be able to listen in on any channel-wide broadcast from now on.
Thanks, Oracle. I found a way to get the Batmobile into the compound. They'll pay for this. All of them.
They will. Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, he's dead. My God, he's gotta be dead. Good old Jim Ross. I'm still a wrestler. Fan. Wrestling fan.
Time to bring in the car.
Stupid say. Wrestler. Oh no, wait. No, I wanna go in first person. $1 billion. Wow, he's happy.
Gotta love their optimism.
Whee!
The 60mm cannon will penetrate these heavily armored units. It'll take a few direct hits to destroy them.
I know that. I used my tank earlier today. Wow, I couldn't aim for the. Oh, I got him.
Sir, he punched through the armor, just like you said. He's searching for hostages. Keep non-essential radio chatter to a minimum. He'll be listening. You are listening, aren't you, Batman? Then listen to this.
Oh.
To all embedded units in Gotham, Operation Savior has begun.
Operation
Each
Savior?
round has a role.
Ha!
Each of you knows.
I took those gun guys out just by shocking them.
Lock it down. I want our hands wrapped tight around Gotham's throat within the hour.
Oh, boom. Bullet to the face. Those don't kill them, by the way. I said that on the first episode, I'm pretty sure. When the Arkham Knight's first hostages, not hostages, bad guys. I love this. I've played this before because I tried recording it and it didn't work. When it was recording, but like I download my videos from Twitch and put them on YouTube. That way.
Keep your guns trained on him. If even looks like he's planning to leave that room.
Oh wow! He jumped off the wall to punch that guy in the face.
You're safe now.
You don't know the half of it, Batman. Scarecrow, He was...
Stay calm and tell me what you know.
They've been running the plant for hours. They brought in trucks, weapons, soldiers, shipments of hazardous materials. They knew exactly what they were doing.
He's producing his toxin on a massive scale.
It's bad. Real bad. We're talking about a gas cloud that could cover the entire eastern seaboard.
Where do I find Scarecrow?
I got no idea. All I know is he's moving ahead with his plan. And he's got a whole freaking army backing him up. We're screwed, Batman.
I'll stop him. But first I'm getting you out of here. Wait by the Batmobile.
Have you found Scarecrow?
Not yet. It's worse than I thought.
How much worse can it be?
He's building a bomb big enough to cover the entire East Coast in fear toxin. Take your men and get out of here. Head to GCPD and lock it down. Keep everyone inside.
I'll get my men off the streets, but I'm going nowhere. You bring anyone you find to me.
Jim, it's too dangerous.
I just like hang up on him. I pressed the wrong button. He said like he believes in me and all that, I guess. Let's upgrade something. Let's gadget skills? Gadget skills. Battering oh no, that's useless. Oh no, gosh, all this stuff is useless. Oh, we have weapons, what the? Nope. Combat, let's try that. Combat. Let's see what, yes, no! I press I can still get it, I mean, just press the wrong button.
I'll get you to Commissioner Gordon.
Yeah, let's say in battle mode so we can be careful here.
Master Bruce, there are militia tanks all over the city. Gotham is overrun.
If I don't stop Scarecrow's bomb, there'll be no city to save.
Whee! Yeah.
Great work. I knew you wouldn't let us down.
We're not done yet, Jim. I'm going back for the others.
Oh no, you know what? Back over here, Batmobile. We're gonna find an easier way to get up there. Okay, and whee! No, he's not. Oh man, it's not here. Oh. I love that move. That's cool. That's cool. Oh. Oh no. Oh, he still got him. That's fun. That's fun. Uh-oh. Oh wow, I saw that guy's body. Saw that guy's innards. Saved it. Saved myself. Again. Wow, that was... Did he take that guy out? Ninja freaks. Woo! Stop hitting me. Oh my god, that guy has to, seriously, that guy has to be paralyzed. The guy's paralyzed, I swear. He has to be. A little bit ahead. No, a little bit back. A little bit back. This is what I did in my other live streams. Well, just, live streams, because it was going to be uploaded to YouTube, but, yeah, it didn't work. But then I fixed it, though. So, should be, if it is uploaded to YouTube, then, yeah, I fixed it. If it's not, then, no, I didn't fix it. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's fixed then, yeah. But I'm using Twitch to record. So many people, like when people record from their Xboxes, that's what they do. Xbox Ones. It didn't work. It didn't work for the Xbox 360, so that's why I use it. Ooh.
Rattler forces engaged in the loading bay. 2 Diamondbacks in support. I'm watching.
Did I miss? Did I miss? Like a bubbles.
Sir, the tanks can barely touch Alpha Target's vehicle. Offensive capability way beyond expectation. He's been busy.
Like a bubbles.
Oh God, he destroyed the tanks! Hey, don't worry, we've got more. Yeah, but not here. Not right this second. What if he comes up here? I'm not scared. Let him come. He thinks he's the big...
Fear takedown. Oh yeah? Well, I just did a fear takedown, which means it should give you fear. Oh! Holy crap! I just hit him with his own bat. Oh my God, he's dead. He's paralyzed. He has to be. It's a Batmobile. Oh, there it is. There you go. Okay, I saw it had. Oh yeah, there it is. And that was useless. Yeah. Okay, where else is there a thing? In here? No. Oh, okay, I remember. Let's go up here. Okay, didn't make it all the way. Let's go through the window. Yeah, oh. What? Okay, let's just smash through this one. Whee! Yeah, I use like explosive gel, I guess. I remember, I remember this mission. Oh, there we go. And let's spray the explosive gel. Da, 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 da. Boom! Boom goes the dynamite. Are you kidding? No.
That's 2 dead workers now. I should have stopped this.
Oh my God. Uh-oh.
Batman, look. I've been talking with Robin. I really think you should consider letting him help you. You're up against an entire army.
She's right. We're a team. This city needs both of us.
I can handle it, Robin. I've told you what you have to do. Now do it.
This can wait.
No, it can't. You know what's at stake. I need you to stay focused, or things will get worse.
You shouldn't be so hard on Tim. He only wants to help.
Don't let your feelings for him cloud your judgment.
You think I want him out of harm's way? I'd rather he stay out of it. But he could help you.
If Robin can't save those people, the fallout will be every bit as dangerous as Scarecrow's bomb.
Okay, let's go into battle mode. And shoot! I know. Okay, that was useless. Let's get out of that and prepare explosive gel again. I see you all. Man, the smiley, it's like a smiley face, and it looks different than Arkham City and all that. There we go, that's what we need. Now we use it. Oh gosh, I found one. There we go. And pull it down. That should stop the steam that was right here. And okay.
That's 3 dead now. These animals are going to pay.
They are.
We'll stop them. We always do, right?
Yeah, we always do. Okay, so there's one more, right? I think there's one more. Okay. Okay, and oop, no, don't want to scan it. Okay, hey.
Founders Island is under our control. Watchtowers and checkpoints are fully operational. I want attack units on Neon now.
Oh, hang on.
Control patrolling every damn back alley.
Shut up, Arkham Knight. Okay, yeah, we're gonna actually just get it. Pull this back. And
This is as high as the elevator will go.
that stinks. Oh. Let's slide down. Now, what we need. No, 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 no. I know, I'm here. Oh, man. No, don't detach it. I mean, we're gonna need it again, right? Okay. Actually, just gonna... I mean, we're always at Ace Chemicals. I don't know why it's just... Oh, yeah, our first vent. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We haven't done this in Batman Arkham Knight yet. Usually we do that like at the near the beginning of the game, but not to this game. This one, he's just sliding down and take out this guy and break his arm. Yeah, grab weapon. I'm gonna throw it at you. I'm gonna grab another weapon and throw it at you. I'm gonna grab another weapon and throw it at you. I'm gonna grab another weapon and throw it. Oh wait, no, I didn't grab any weapon. Oh, okay, now I lost my combo. But I'm gonna knock you out and then knock you out. And you're dead. No, I'm joking, you're not dead. Yeah. I'm gonna grab another weapon. No, I can't. Oh, there he is. Hey, what's up, man?
It's okay. You're safe.
You're too late. We're both already dead. You know about the bomb he's building, right?
Where is he?
I heard him saying he was in the central mixing chamber. You know what that means.
He's getting ready to release his toxin.
I've seen what that stuff does to people. If that gas gets out there, it's gonna be chaos.
I won't let that happen. I'm getting you out of here. Get to the elevator.
When we talk, we're gonna follow him.
Jim, I've rescued the second worker. I'm coming to you.
What about Scarecrow?
He's in the central mixing chamber. As soon as the technicians are safe, I'm going after him.
Is it as bad as it sounds?
Worse, Jim. But I'll stop him. You had my word.
It's moving. How are you doing that? Who cares? I'm just happy to be getting out of here.
Okay. I keep pressing the wrong button. Sorry. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought someone was gonna... Okay, yeah, I was right. I was wondering what that camera angle was, and I was like, what the heck? But here I see. Oh, Batmobile's here. Good timing. Now the elevator just dropped, and I'm jumping down. Ah. Okay.
Alfred.
I saw, Sam. Initial scans indicate that the craft is unmanned and being controlled remotely.
Oh.
Weapons lock deactivated.
Come on then, hero! Let's see if you can keep up with me! Did you feel that one? That's just the first of many.
Oh. Woo. these tanks. I think that was the last tank. Yeah, that was the last tank. Thank God. Okay, let's take down this helicopter. Wah. Take out the Arkham Knight's copter. Shall we? Did I hit it? Yeah, I did. I got it. Got him. Ah, whoa.
So, you still not lost your touch? Good. It's gonna make this so much more interesting.
This just... Every time he talks to Batman, I just feel like I'm getting closer to find out who he is. What do you guys think? Comments in the description. Comments down below. Comment down below who you think it is. Follow me on Twitter, by the way. I had a Twitter account for a little bit now. Oh, I didn't see that coming. Whoa. Whoa. It just makes me like every time he's talking to Batman, he sounds, I feel like I'm getting closer to find out who he is. Who is this guy? I'm serious. Oh, I got him. Got him. Don't want to start fire. Ah! I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Oh, okay. Got him.
Oracle. Scarecrow is preparing the bomb in the central mixing chamber. I need a way in, and I need it now.
I'm working on it, but I'm gonna need...
Woo!
These two were lucky. Scarecrow's forces have murdered the other workers.
Bastards.
Take them back to GCPD,
Yeah.
but be careful, Jim. There's militia all over Gotham.
What
Okay,
are you
we're
going
gonna-
to do?
I'm going to show Crane what happens when he messes with my city.
Okay. So yeah, I just got out of the Batmobile because I'm gonna end it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this episode of Batman Arkham Knight. Next episode we're gonna go take down Scarecrow and stop him from making his bomb. Take down, defuse his bomb before it explodes and destroys the East Coast, actually. But I just want to say thank you for watching this episode of Batman Arkham Knight. Please leave a comment. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Christian Khan is now